show you the working of the Marg. First you adjust the clamping pressure with this knob, then you adjust the welding pressure with this knob. After adjusting these two pressures, you check at the gap at scale over here and adjust the gap between the two welding jaws as per the data given in the manual. Then you adjust the current as per the data given in the manual. Say for 12 mm rod, we keep at number 7. Then we will show you the welding. Now clamp the rod with the left foot switch. Then take this dart over here. Then clamp the welding cylinder like this. Then press the push button for welding. Welding taking place. Cut off is automatic. Then you can take this guard back. Declamp the cylinder by depressing the right side foot. Then left side foot switch. Then take the lever back to maximum. Then again bring the welded job in the center of the welding job. Then clamp the job with the left switch like that. Then take the current filter switch, say number 2 for annealing. Then press the push button 4 or 5 times for annealing. After annealing, let it cool down for some time. Then you can declamp the job and do the grinding over here. After the job is done, you can use the welded joint.